Ukrainian media, citing their own sources, claim that Ukrainian services are behind the attack in downtown Moscow. Kiev is not commenting on the attack. According to Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin, the capital was attacked by 2 drones. One of them fell near the Russian Defense Ministry. The other hit an office building. There were no reported casualties or injuries. I had only a bang, and then nothing. I was sleeping and was awakened by the explosion. Everything started shaking. It felt like the whole building collapsed. In contrast, last night 17 drones attacked the Crimean Peninsula. Russian air defense forces neutralized 11 of the machines. Others hit an ammunition depot in the area of the town of Zhankoy. Residents within a 5-kilometer radius were evacuated. Russia has a military base nearby. The peninsula is a logistical base for the Russian army. The conflict is entering a new phase, that is, it is moving away from direct armed clash. Strikes of a non-conventional nature will play an increasingly important role. The Russian army in turn carried out attacks using Iranian Shahed drones in the Odessa region. As a result of the shelling, a grain store was destroyed. One of the missiles hit the Transfiguration Cathedral, the largest Orthodox church in Odessa. This is a very important shrine for the people of Odessa. It belongs to the Ukrainian Orthodox Church. Immediately after this attack, local residents rushed to clean up and extinguish the fire, forming teams of volunteers. The cleanup and recovery from this attack continues. The Ukrainian counteroffensive began in early June. United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken predicts that we will see its effects within the next few months. The Russians have established strong fortifications along the entire front line. According to the Ukrainian Defense Ministry, as a result of the continuing counteroffensive in the south of the country, nearly 200 square kilometers of territory have been liberated from Russian occupation. In turn, 35 square kilometers were liberated in the Bakhmut direction in the east of the country.